Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Luna from Winx Club on Just Press. So for the hair, I just used this ponytail in FFD893 and then this hair in the same color. Position the Y at 0.71, Z 0.67, and scale it to 0.33. For the hair tie, I just used this headband in 4F628A and scale it to 0, position the Y at 0.7, Z 0.56. And then for the headpiece, you do need this, but if you don't have it, you can opt for another headpiece for you to wear. Color it this blue color, D7E2FF, and then that same color, and then after that, the darker blue color, same as the headband, and then that light color again. For the skirt, I used this one in the only skirt toggle. Color the first one, the light color here in matte. Then the second one in this color, but just like darker a little bit, like this color maybe. I'm just going to save that. And then I'm going to get this skirt as well. Here in the supports pattern in that same color, that same dark blue color. For the top, we are going to use this top here. We are going to use VIP. We're going to color it that bright color in matte. And then we are going to use this top here in that color as well in matte. And then everything else in matte as well. Like this. Now for the bracelet, I'm going to use the snake one in just like a darker white, so like gray. And then we are going to use the VIP cape here in the only cape light air, and we're going to color it this blue color, just a little tad bit darker though. And then what else? I'm like looking at the reference here. We're going to use this belt here. I'm just going to kind of adjust it so it's like more on the waist, like that. I'm going to scale it down just a little, and I'm going to bring it forward so people can actually see the belt. Then I'm just going to color it this like yellow and maybe like a light silk for all of it, like that. Wait, let me make the rest matte actually, like this. And then I might add like the gem here. So let me grab this top. Is it this one? I mean, wait, let me see it first, like how it looks with the top. So no lace, just the gem. Sorry. Oh, does not look great. Never mind, I'm not going to add that gem. Then I'm just going to add in some earrings. I'm going to use these earrings here, and I'm just going to color it the lighter blue color. For the shoes, I don't know what shoe she wears because it's a floor length dress. So I'm just going to use these shoes here in the light blue and dark. Oops. What about yellow? Sure, we'll go with yellow shoes. And that is it. You can like add kind of like, she has like the cape kind of like near her sleeve, so you can add this as well, but I just prefer without it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!